Okay, hi guys. The last time I said that our next lesson will be when the smoke is going down, but I've searched it in the internet and there's a ton of guitar lessons of that song. So I decided to teach you instead Holiday. You know, it's also by Scorpions. I've also searched the guitar lesson for Holiday. Some of them were using two guitars for the intros because actually the intro is played by a lead and a rhythm. So we'll try to combine the lead and the rhythm so that it can be played even with one guitar. Okay, so let's go to the intro. The intro chords are, we have to divide the intro into 4 parts. Okay, the first part is D minor, F6, F6, B flat major 7, A7 sustained, and A7. Okay, so D minor. The rhythm actually is bass 1 2 3 1 2 3 1. Okay, that's the rhythm. So we're gonna take out some of the rhythm parts and replace it with the lead guitar. Okay, so okay, that's for our first part for D minor. Just play 4th string 1 and then 1 2 3 1 2 3 1. For F6, just put your pinky on the 4th string 3rd fret and then pick 4th 1 2 3 1 2. Okay, the bass and then 1 2 3 1 2 and then open on 3rd fret hammer, and then this is now for B flat major 7. 1 2 3 1 2. So 1 2 3 1 2 and then open on 3rd string, and then for A7 sustain, pick 4th string. So, and then your ring finger on the 3rd fret of 2nd string, index finger on the 2nd fret of 4th fret, then pick 4th string, and then 1 2 3 1 2 3 1, and then for A7 bass 5th string, 1 2 3 and then open on 3rd string, again open. So 5th 1 2 3 and then again open on for the lead. So that's for the first part. Okay, one more time. Now we go to the last chord is A7, 1 bass 1 2 3 and then open. So it got only 5 notes, 1 2 3 4 and then third on open on 3rd string. Now we go to the second part. So the last D minor 7. So the lead part is, and then your rhythm 1 2 3 1. Now we go to D minor 7, pick second string twice, and then open on first string. Okay, only 4, and then for B flat, so, and then 1 2 3 1, and then open. Okay, that's B flat major 7, and then open again for A sustained, A7 sustained. So the lead is for A7 sustained, first string, and then rhythm, and then for A7, fourth string, bend, fourth fret on the first string, bend, and then third. Okay, I play the second part one more time. Okay, this is our second part. Now we go to the third part. Same chords, D minor, D minor 7, F, F flat B major 7, A7 sustain, A7. So the last for the second is now D minor, open, second string, third string, and then your rhythm 1 2 3 1. And then open again, second string, third fret, open, put it back. That's your D minor 7, and then third for B flat major 7, and then second string, third string, and then open, and then read it 1 2 3 1. Okay, and then 2, second fret, third fret on fourth string, and then open on third string, and then A7 sustained 1 2 3. That's for A7 sustained, and then open on third string, hammer, and then third on the fourth, second on the third string. So now we go to the fourth part, open on fourth string, rhythm 1 2 3 1, and then for D minor 7, second string, third, second fret, third string, second string, third string, and then plus rhythm 1 2 3 1, and then Put your pinky on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and then open on 1st string, put it back, and then rhythm, and then 3rd fret, 1st string, bend on the 4th, and then for A7 sustained, pick 2nd string, 2nd, 3rd, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 1st, and then A7, 5th, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay, so that's our intro. I play the last part. One more time. Okay, that's our intro. So better you have your tablature tab so that you can follow my instruction, because you know, you might not understand me very well. Okay, so here is your tab. Better you have a copy of the tab. Okay, now we go to our verse 1. Verse 1 chords, first line. We go to the first line first. Let you like a holiday. Okay, that's our first line. That's D minor, C, A7, and then D minor, 2 measures. So the first one, 2 measures, D minor, and then C, 1 measure, and then A7, 1 measure, and then D minor, 2 measures. But this time it's different picking. So 4th fret, 4th string, 3rd, 2nd, back to 3rd, and then 1st string open, take off your index finger, put it back, and then 2nd string, 3rd string. Okay, so it twice. So 4th string, 3rd string, 2nd string, back to 3rd string, 1st string open, 1st string, put back the index finger, and then 2nd string, 3rd string. Sorry. Okay, for the second line it's the same. Let me take it away. You'd like a holiday. Let me take you far away. You'd like a holiday. Now the third line is C, D minor, C 1 measure, D minor 1 measure, G 2 measures, and then A 2 measures. It sends you cold days from the sun, the good times and fun. Now the fourth line, D minor, 2 measures, C 1 measure, and then finally A7 1 measure. It says, yeah, the cold days from the sun, the good times and fun. Let me take you far away. You'd like a holiday. ad-lib. So the ad-lib is, oh, anyway, we'll take that up next time on our part 2. So we have to we have interlude, and ad-lib, and then verse 2, and then interlude, the last verse, and the outro. Okay, so just click the link in the description box for your lyrics, chords, and tablatures. Okay, so don't forget to click the notification bell so that when I upload the second part, you'll be notified.